Here's a simple recipe for making homemade strawberry ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups fresh strawberries, hulled and pureed. Instructions: 1. In a medium saucepan, heat the milk and sugar over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved completely. 1. Remove from heat and let cool. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the heavy cream and vanilla extract. 3. Add the cooled milk mixture to the cream mixture and whisk until well combined. 4. Add the strawberry puree and stir to combine. 5. Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. 6. Transfer the ice cream to a freezer-safe container and freeze for several hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. Enjoy your delicious homemade strawberry ice cream.